Okay, this is the video review of the unboxing of the HD PVR by Hopog. This just came in the mail today. I ordered from the Dell website and I got it for $150 after a $50 coupon, so that's a pretty good deal. And this device records video from composite and component sources as well as traditional S-video, and then captures your audio as well. And I'm going to use this to capture video from my Xbox 360 and my Wii for my upcoming videos. Initially, my first thoughts are that it's kind of a heavy box, so I'm kind of wondering what the unit's going to be like once I actually open it up. So let's take a look at the box. We see a picture of the unit on the front. The side, we see what the contents of the package. Let's see if we can get that in there. Bundled software as well as all the different cables to control it. The back gives us some basic information on the box. And the other side is the technical specifications and system requirements, which I will list out in a box on the side. So let's get right to this. Let's get it opened. Okay, looks like we've got a instruction manual on how to properly connect the device, a CD likely with drivers and software, and a letter of appreciation. We've got a USB cable to connect the device to a PC, a cable to connect to the infrared so that you can use the remote control. A remote control to control the unit. A power supply. And it looks like a large component video cable. Looks like it's pretty long too. And the device itself, let's check it out. The device itself is really light, so I'm really wondering what was so heavy in that box. I guess it was the component cable. The device itself is really light. Up front we see it's got a power button with some light indicators. It has a infrared, S-video, and then composite audio and video for the front. 4 stands to elevate it. On the back we see component in and out as well as audio. We see optical in and out for audio, a controller for the infrared blaster, the USB to connect to your computer, and the power supply. So that's pretty much it. Let's take a look here again. Okay. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment, and let's get this thing hooked up and test it out.